What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man, back at another video, and today we're going to be doing a review and on feet over the Air Jordan 11 Vase Gray or Metallic Silver, whatever you want to call them, man. These joints are very crazy, and the question I was asked just yesterday is, would you honestly wear this shoe? So throughout the video, as I break it down, and after that I'm gonna let you guys know would I really rock this shoe, and you guys are gonna see the on feet as well, see if you like it, see if your opinion has changed about it, or see if you really just don't like this shoe at all, man. So with all that being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you ring that notification bell for your boy. Follow me over on Instagram at DaVintageWorld, man. The link will be in the description box below as always. And hit the like button right now for this video to go for every video with 200 likes. So help your boy out by hitting that like button right now. It's free. And also make sure you take advantage of the free Air Jordan 11 bread giveaway that me, SkipGoesHard, DaRetroWizKid, Outsole, and KaptainKirk has going on right now, man. Take advantage of it. Win a free pair of shoes, man. This is the second giveaway we kind of collab with this year, man, and we're trying to give back to you guys that support our channels, man. So just go follow those simple rules and you can be entered to win a free pair of those Jordan 11 breads. So yeah, let's jump right into this review over the Air Jordan 11 Vase Grays, man. Let's get it. All right, man, here we have it. Air Jordan 11 Vase Gray. You already know how your boy do it, man. We gotta hit that B-roll. I gotta show you all the different angles, all the different details about this shoe. But the first things first, man, this shoe is very crazy. Just a lot going on, as you can tell, man. It's just pretty bland that this shoe is just out there, you know what I mean? But let me show you guys the box real quick. We got a different Air Jordan 11 box, something I'm not used to seeing for the Air Jordan 11s. The wing ones actually came in a box like this, but it had a gold Jumpman on top, and it had like a gold little ring right here for the wing ones. But this one right here is just metallic silver Jumpman here, metallic silver Jumpman up here, and the official colorway is white metallic silver, and they retail for $220, man, which is pretty steep for a women's Air Jordan 11. And of course, I got these in the size 10.5. Whatever your men's size is, just add 1.5 to that, and that would be your woman's size, man. So me, I'm a size 10.5. On the inside of the box real quick, just because we haven't seen this box, I'm gonna talk about it real quick. You got some white tissue paper with 2-3 all around it, man. That kind of metallic, little sparkly silver as well. All right, enough of the box. Let's get back to the shoe. This is pretty much a basic review because it's predominantly all white. They gave us patent leather all throughout the whole shoe. You know, usually with our Air Jordan 11s, which I have a pair right here, we got that like mesh material on the upper of the shoe, but here we get that patent leather all around the shoe. I wouldn't even call it patent leather, just regular leather coated all the way around this Air Jordan 11 women's shoe. And to be honest, the shoe is very light, you know, maybe it's because this is a women's shoe, but compared to these right here, these things are super heavy. It's the same size. I think that just goes to say that this is a women's shoe. The materials are lighter, and they built this shoe for women, you know what I mean? So over here you can check out this tag, man. It's like Chinese lettering right here, but on the other side it says glitter material is being used for the upper of the shoes and could experience wear off after a period of time. It will not affect the performance of the product. Please be aware and purchase accordingly. So I guess they're saying that to women hoopers that's out there. The glitter gonna fall off, but it doesn't matter. You can still hoop in these things, or whatever you're doing with this shoe, it will still hold up. But I can just tell like this glitter will, you know what I'm saying, pop off a lot. And I wonder what's under this little coating of glitter, because it might look very terrible after it does fall off. On the back of the shoe, we got the 2-3 stitched in back there, which is crazy. Hoping they did that with the bread 11s, but they didn't. They gave it to us just embroidered on, stamped on, whatever you want to call it. But the women's shoe right here got the 2-3 stitched on right there, as you can see. And you have like a metallic silver Jumpman right here on the side of the shoe, as well as on this side. Nothing crazy, nothing different between the two shoes, but you do have the Jumpman over here, and you have the Jumpman over here as well, man. Check out that 2-3 in the back. And the main thing about this shoe that people really did not like was this whole slap of glitter, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this glitter. Let me know if it's too much. Let me know if it's too girly for y'all, because y'all do know, like, I like shoes that's different colors. Like you can see right here, the Ralph Simmons, the pink ones, those are, pink is like predominantly a girl color, you know what I mean? So it's not a shoe that you're used to seeing on a man. But me, after like looking at this shoe real good, like I don't think I could do it, you know? Maybe for like a special theme, you know, like a platinum night or something somebody got going on, or boy, if you don't get, if that's just a theme that y'all want to wear something sparkly, this is something I might wear. But like on a daily basis to like wear it on the outfit, I do not think I could wear these, to be honest. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that in the comment section below, because I do know there's a lot of men out there that did go out there and cop this shoe. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just something me personally I cannot do. I cannot wear this, you know what I mean? But if it was like a special occasion, if it was like a one-time thing, I would definitely throw these things on feet. The laces right here are way thinner than we are used to seeing on the men's Air Jordan 11. And they didn't give us no extra laces, just all white rope laces. On the tongue right here, of course, you got your Jumpman on the third lacing right here. I'm gonna show you guys that in the B-roll. And it is stitched in white. On the inside of the shoe, you got a regular cardboard shoe tree, and you have a white insole. Check it out, check it out. You got like a platinum kind of faded Jumpman on the insole as well. Checking out the outsole. This is translucent, but it kind of looks very like milky, like a milky outsole. It isn't like a deep blue like we're used to seeing on the Air Jordan 11s, but it's a nice little milky translucent outsole, very dope. You can see the pods right there in the white, and of course you can see that Jumpman down there as well, man. Check out the carbon fiber, black and gray carbon fiber plate. You know, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. That's pretty much it for this review. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. Make sure you guys let me know right now in the comment section below, would you go out and wear this shoe? Let me know if you copped it, because I'm very interested in knowing. You know, of course, me, I copped it. I wanted to make some content for you guys. I wanted to get you guys' opinion on this shoe. Can you pull this off? Can you pull this out in an outfit? Let me know right now in the comment section below, because I know this is something that people ask me after I told them I copped. Are you actually going to wear this shoe? And my honest opinion is no, I couldn't do it. Maybe on a special occasion, but if it's not a special occasion, then these things will be worn maybe once, maybe just for its own feet, and they'll go right in the collection with the rest of the Air Jordan 11s. Make sure you guys like the video right now for your boy. We're on the ground to 25K, man. Help your boy out. Share the video, like the video, comment under the video. That all helps the channel grow a lot faster. So go ahead and help your boy grow. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at DaVintageWorld, which is a part of the Bread 11 giveaway rules. Go ahead and take advantage of the Bread 11 giveaway. If you want a free pair of Bread 11s, you don't want to pay for your size, your shoe, your little brother's shoe, your son, your daughter's shoe, just take advantage of the giveaway. And with all that being said, thank you for tuning into this video. We about to jump right into this on feet over these Air Jordan 11s, man. Let's get it.